Raise your precision to the next level with the laser distance sensor Dx80 from SICK. Highly accurate measurements boost the quality of your processes and saves precious resources. Long measurement range fulfills the needs of a variety of applications. The icon-supported color display provides an intuitive user experience and makes commissioning straightforward. Accelerate troubleshooting and on-site visualization with augmented reality.
Onboard I/O link or Ethernet connectivity combined with the pioneering MQTT protocol for sensor condition monitoring.
From handling long-range distances and object detection to precise measurements and position monitoring indoors and outdoors. Excellent repeatability paves the way to fully automated motion procedures. Seamless integration of the metal housing even in your most confined installation situations. Immunity to ambient light and temperature changes ensures unwavering performance also in harsh environments. Precise over long distances, intuitive in many functions, yet small and robust. Don't settle for a generic distance sensor. Experience the difference with the Dx80 from SICK.